I have opened up a new storefront that I have created using Aasaan's fashion store template.
Hello guys, I am come back again with a new Appsumo deal review. Today I will discuss very useful and attractive tools for e-commerce builder tools. Within these tools you can build a mobile responsive online storefront quickly without coding knowledge and manage all your business process from one platform. And this tools is Aasaan tools. Basically, these tools launch and manage a mobile-friendly online store on a code-free e-commerce platform. Firstly, I want to say what is Aasaan Tools. Aasaan Tools is a e-commerce platform that let you build dynamic and mobile-friendly online store without any coding knowledge. This tool's best alternative to WooCommerce. Okay, what is WooCommerce? We all know that WooCommerce is one of the best e-commerce builder tools. Since Aasaan Tools come in the market as alternative to WooCommerce tools, I think these tools must be good for you and you can try it. And this price is $49. If you want to get discount Aasaan Tools, you will buy Aasaan Tools to give my link. In that case, you can get 10% discount. I will give Aasaan buying link in the description box below. This tools is very helpful tools. Using these tools, you can build web-based and mobile apps online store in record time, all without any coding. And it's easy to create a custom store font using a simple building block approach to web design. Now I will show you how to use Aasaan tools and how to build e-commerce platform without coding knowledge. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
Today we're going to take a closer look at Aasaan's storefront and how you can customize it to meet your needs without writing a single line of code. We have over 30 plus different building blocks that you can choose from, each with its own set of features and functionality. So let's dive in. I have opened up a new storefront that I have created using Aasaan's fashion store template. As you can see, this template already consists of a few blocks. But to add a block, all you need to do is go to your website settings and click on the content template. Then click on the plus icon and click on static or dynamic. Static blocks are perfect for displaying static visual information such as hero images, gallery images, announcement bars, and testimonials. You can even add a site-wide header with a mega menu and footer. Static blocks are ideal for creating standalone websites or landing pages. The true power of Aasaan's storefront comes from dynamic blocks. With dynamic blocks, you can visually display information via your data source. Aasaan allows you to connect with various e-commerce platforms to create a fully functioning web and mobile app. Dynamic blocks introduce functionality such as new arrivals, deal of the day, fashion slider, and many more options. Before we dive into the dynamic blocks, let's take a quick look at the individual block settings. With every block, you have the option to move it up or down and delete it individually. Within the block settings, you can edit the block name, change the block level styles, and edit out any of the content, as well as style individual content. Let's dive into the dynamic blocks. Deals of the day. This block allows you to showcase specific products that are on sale or offered at a discounted price for a limited time. It's a great way to grab the attention of customers and encourage them to make a purchase. You can typically customize the duration of the deal and the specific products included. New arrivals. Similar to the deals of the day block, this block allows you to highlight new products that have been recently added to your store. It can help keep your store fresh and exciting for repeat customers and draw in new customers looking for the latest products. Sliders. This block typically displays a rotating slideshow of images or products, allowing you to feature multiple items without taking up too much screen real estate. You can often customize the timing of each slide, the images or products featured, and the order they appear in. Banners. Banners are larger images or graphics that are typically displayed prominently on the homepage or other key pages of the store. They can be used to promote a sale or special event, highlight new products, or simply add visual interest to the page. You can usually customize the size and design of each banner and link it to specific pages or products within your store. Mega menu. Your menu is like a roadmap to your online store, so it's important to make it easy to navigate. You can add links to specific pages or products, and even create drop-down menus to help organize your links. Be sure to use clear and specific labels, so your customers can find what they are looking for quickly. We have the best mega menu options available. The theme menu is where you can adjust the overall look and feel of your online store. You can change the color scheme, font styles, and more. To add themes to your storefront, simply navigate to the theme settings. Customizing your storefront's color scheme is made easier with Aasaan's AI color palette generator. In the palette generator, you can choose to manually select colors or choose from our predefined theme. Our AI will analyze your store's branding and product images to generate a unique color palette that complements your store's overall aesthetic. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures that your store's color scheme is cohesive and visually appealing. That's it for Aasaan's storefront customization. Stay tuned for more videos where we will go deeper into the full capabilities of what Aasaan can offer.
Here you can see Aasaan tools price and sales overview. Usually you can check whether a tools is good or bad, some issue like how many tools have been sold, how the rating is, and the latest customer feedback. Okay guys, I am recording this video. Aasaan deal have been launched on Appsumo only one day ago, so no sell and review yet. Okay, buying these tools, what benefit will you get? It's given here. Okay, there are two plans available, license tier 1, license tier 2. When you purchase license tier 1, then you are getting 5 staff member and 10 integration, and this price is $49. If you are a smaller, then you can purchase license tier 1 and it's enough. If you need more, then you can purchase license tier 2, then you are getting 10 staff member, unlimited integration, webhook, and this price is $99. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy a plan. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. Appsumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. Future are attached these tools, it's given here. If you want, you can read this, like mobile optimized website, fully integrate e-commerce analytics, and 3 inventory location. This tools is amazing tools to have so many topic in one tools. Integrate with over 80 third-party apps to unlock feature that create a dynamic and seamless e-commerce experience. Aasaan tools is all in one platform that keep tab all your order, product, and promotion while tracking analytics to the customer behaviors. Plan and future. The most important things when you purchase Aasaan tools from Appsumo, then you will get in this benefit. Otherwise, you will not get in this benefit. So I strongly recommended you must buy Aasaan tools from Appsumo. Lifetime access to Aasaan tools. When you purchase Aasaan tools from Appsumo, then you will get access to these tools. All future premium plan update. These tools are updated every few days. When these tools are updated, as soon as you will get access to these tools. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between two license tier. That means there are two plans available, license tier 1 or 2. When you purchase any plan, after buying a plan, you want to change your plan, you can do it easily, upgrade or downgrade. Okay, 60-day money back guarantee. After buying these tools, within 60-day use, if you feel that these tools are not suitable for your use or you are not getting benefit mentioned here, so you can return it anytime. Lastly, I want to say Aasaan help you build a professional online store and streamline all the nitty-gritty business tools, business details, so you can open your virtual door today. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see. You want to know more about these tools, you can see the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video, and next time I will come again with another deal.